This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Auxiliary drive belt. Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release lever twice. Fully raise the bonnet. Using the locking wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. As there is limited clearance beneath the vehicle, unless you have access to a special low workshop jack, use pieces of wood as ramps to increase the clearance so that a regular jack can be used. Position the workshop jack head under the rear of the subframe with a piece of wood or rubber to spread the load. Raise the vehicle until the tyres are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the sill jacking points, then remove the jack. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. The engine under tray is secured by various fasteners. Some of these may be torque screws and some may have an hexagonal head. Undo the fasteners and manoeuvre the engine under tray from place. The wheel arch liner is secured by various fasteners. Begin by removing the screws at the rear lower edge, followed by the ones at the front lower edge and the ones in the wheel arch aperture. Some of the fasteners are plastic rivets. Prise out the centre pin, then pull out the rivet. Undo the plastic nuts and manoeuvre the liner from the wheel arch. Undo the two bolts securing the charge air pipe to the sump and unclip the fuel vent pipe. Prise out the wire clip on both sides and disconnect the air pipe from the intercooler. Prise out the wire clip securing the air pipe to the turbocharger. Seen here with the air pipe on the bench. The wire clip must be prised out on both sides. As the clip is expanded, it should lock in the released position. Prior to refitting the pipe, push the clips at each end back into the normal position. Manoeuvre the pipe from place. The belt cover is secured by 4 plastic expansion rivets. Working from above and below, prise out the centre pins, lever out the expansion rivets and remove the cover from the wheel arch aperture. If the drive belt is to be reused, mark the running direction of the belt before removal. Rotate the belt tensioner clockwise and lock it in place using a 4mm diameter rod. With the tensioner locked in position, remove the belt. Locate the belt around the pulleys, ensuring the belt ribs locate correctly in the pulley grooves. If the original belt is being refitted, observe the direction of rotation marking. Withdraw the locking bolt or rod and allow the tensioner to rotate anti-clockwise, tensioning the belt. Refit the belt cover, then insert the plastic expansion rivets, pressing the centre pins to lock the rivets in place. Manoeuvre the charge air pipe into place, then press the ends of the pipe onto the turbocharger and intercooler ports. Ensure the wire clips secure the pipes. Normally, an audible click can be heard when the clips locate in the port's grooves. Insert and tighten the 2 bolts securing the charge air pipe to the sump and clip the vent pipe back into place. Refit the liner to the wheel arch, then secure it with the various fasteners. Insert the plastic expansion rivet to its original location, then press in the centre pin to secure it. Don't forget the screws at the front and rear lower edges of the liner. Manoeuvre the tray into position under the vehicle, then insert and tighten the fasteners. Locate the wheel on the hub, then insert and lightly tighten the retaining bolts. Raise the vehicle and remove the axle stands, then lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the bolts to the specified torque. Firmly close the bonnet.